Following on from a video that I posted here on our YouTube channel a couple of weeks ago featuring my garden in the early part of the spring, today I'm bringing you the second part in our 4-part series entitled A Garden for All 4 Seasons. This time I'm focusing on the pictures that were taken here in this garden during the summer months. Hello, I'm David Wilson for Overdevest Nurseries, and as you can see I'm out here on a fairly nice sunny but breezy morning in my garden in the latter part of the winter, early part of the spring, looking forward to a whole new gardening year. Now, it's very early in the season and only a few of the very early things like the witch hazel here are waking up and starting to grow. But I thought I'd take you now into the summertime and perhaps give you some ideas and suggestions and perhaps even some inspiration about some of the things that you might plan for your garden in this coming year. And if you stick with me to near the end of this video, I'll also tell you a true story of something that happened here when we first discovered the site over 20 years ago. I suppose I would describe it as contemporary British in style, a modern Robinsonian type layout that reflects my heritage and upbringing. One that is designed with flowing lines, expanses of easy to mow lawns where our dogs can run and play, and natural informal plant colonies that bring colour and interest throughout the whole year. For us, it's an oasis, a sanctuary, a place to relax, de-stress and enjoy the bounties of nature. It's a garden that's always changing, with trees and shrubs and evergreens, flowering perennials, grasses, roses, bulbs and climbers all blending together to provide easy to look after colour, texture and movement. That's what our garden means to us, a place to enjoy. A place that when the rest of the world is caught up in the rush and tumble of life, we can kick back, take it easy, connect with the earth, smell the air, get a little healthy exercise, and enjoy what I call plenty of H&C, happiness and contentment. Plus fragrance, and also it's a haven for desirable wildlife too. It's a labour of love that combines summer perennials like coneflowers in several types and colours. There's hydrangeas that display majestic, deep electric blues, soft pinks and lavenders, and pleasing baby blues too. Plus the intricate sophistication of Lacecaps and the icy white and alabaster creams of the steadfast panicle types too. Then in shadier spots, elegant grasses and sedges reign supreme, while sparkling blue and white Siberian and Japanese iris luxuriate in damper spots and near water edges. Yes, it requires a little effort and investment, but like most things in life, when you put in the effort, you get handsome rewards. And I'm a firm believer in the more you put into something, the more you'll get out of it. And with this garden, that is very definitely the case. Then to cut down on the maintenance workload, catmints, meadow sages and garden speedwells abound, along with the luxuriant lushness of astilbes and the dramatically bold foliage of hostas and the silvery quietness of lamiums. Elsewhere on gravelly, well-drained hillsides, spreading mats of fragrant, pollinator-friendly thymes form platforms that show off the beautiful flowers of selected disease-resistant varieties of roses that are never sprayed. So there you are. That's a little glimpse into some of the things that happens here in this garden during the summer months. So go on, have a go. You know, it's really not that hard. So can I suggest that you take a little time to research, investigate and explore some things that you might want to do in your garden? Are there projects that you'd like to undertake, areas that could do with a little bit more of something to add more colour and pleasure and enjoyment from your garden? And when you're at it, why not take yourself over to some of the partnering garden centres, because now we're just starting to ship in the first of our plants, and those are going to be arriving through the whole of the planting season. Lots of opportunities, lots of things that I hope you'll want to undertake. And why don't you post a few comments here on our site, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and also share your successes and perhaps even a few mistakes, so that then we'll all be able to enjoy our gardens together, especially in all of the 4 seasons. And now for that story that I was telling you about. Well, what happened was that I was away one Sunday playing soccer with my buddies. My wife was out looking around the neighbourhoods, looking for a new home because we wanted a little bit more space. She called me and said, "Can you come over and take a look? I think I've found a place that you're going to like." So I arrived at the top of the hill. I walked down, I didn't see her. I walked down here, and there I seen the winding stream. I seen the trees and the woodland area. Then I seen the rich river-washed alluvium soil that's almost so rich that if you stood in a spot long enough, you'd nearly think about growing yourself. Then there's the hillsides that are gravelly and in full sun, partial shaded areas, shade areas, level areas where I could make a lawn. Lots of exciting opportunities to create a garden. So I started to walk back up the hill, and then she met me and she said, "Well, what do you think?" I says, "Well, if you can figure out how we're going to be able to pay for it, we'll buy it." She said, "Don't you want to see the house?" I said, "Nah, it's just a house." This is David Wilson. Enjoy your gardening. It's good for us, and it's good for our environment as well.